Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off auto call recording. Open the Samsung phone app, tap on this icon, tap on these three dots on top right corner, go to settings, tap here, then tap on record calls, tap here. Here you can see auto record calls. Let me enable, tap here. This way we can enable auto call recording. Tap on this auto record calls. Here you can see four options. Select this first option, all calls, if you want to record calls from all numbers. Calls with unsaved numbers. Select this option if you want to record calls from only unsaved numbers. Calls with specific numbers. Select this option if you want to record calls from specific numbers. Those specific numbers you can specify here. Tap on number to auto record. Here you can manually enter specific number, or you can select numbers from the contacts. Tap on contacts. Go back. Last option, all calls except specific numbers. Here you can skip or exclude some numbers. Numbers that you want to exclude you can specify here. Tap on numbers not to record, and here you can specify the number that you want to exclude, or you can select numbers from the contacts. Go back. If you want to show a notification after recording, enable this option. If you want to see all recorded calls, tap here. Here you can see all recorded calls. From here you can play, delete or share. Go back. Tap on delete recording older than 1 month. Tap here. From here you can delete old recordings. For example, here you can see 70 recordings over 1 month old. Select it, then tap on move to recycle bin. This way we can delete 70 recordings together in one action. Let me go back. Next I will show you how we can turn off auto call recording. Just tap here. Done. This way we can turn on or off auto call recording. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.